Okay, so here we are on the Cutso website. Let's look at sewing machines and single needle. And then let's look for the 8700. Here it is. You can enlarge these photos by simply clicking on them. Move the mouse around and see, yes, this is the deal that we're looking for. Here are the specs published by Juki. Again, you can enlarge these just by clicking and looking. We'll scroll down, see more specifications. Let's see, there's a video. Let's take a look at the video for the DDL 8700. Now, if we want to skip along and take a look at other parts of the video, we can just click on this timeline at the bottom. There we are, showing everything that comes with it. And here we are taking a look at the machine actually sewing. We can go ahead and pause this video. And let's take a look at this instruction manual. Now, just by clicking on this, we can choose to download this to the computer or print it out from here. There's order options talking about pickup or delivery. Obviously, if we're doing a home delivery, then we're going to need to choose, let's get a light for the machine. And then we'll choose freight option. And for the voltage, we're only going to need a 110. That's the standard, unless you have a 220 setup. Let's get a lift gate for it. And this is a residential delivery. Let's add it to cart. And we can take a look at our total. It's increased for all the shipping costs. Let's go back to the machine. Let's take a look at recommended items under the recommended items tab, so we can find some needles that'll fit. Here we are, the Groats-Beckert needles. Let's go ahead and click on those. Select the size that we desire. And the point type, regular is what's available for this. So let's go ahead and add that to cart. One more thing we might want to look at is sewing machine oil. And there's a gallon right there. Now this machine does come with oil with the order, but you're going to need some more. So let's go ahead and order some of that. And here we just proceed to checkout. That's it. We're going to enter in the credit card and shipping information, and we're done.